Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Aquarians. Let's see what's going to happen for Aquarians in their love life. Specifically, this reading is about your love life. It is not a career or finance reading. So if you are looking for that, this reading is not for you. It is just specifically about love life. And it is a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. So just bear that in mind. And if you are new to my channel, hello, this is Pooja from India. I am a psychic and intuitive tarot reader. You can reach out to me on my WhatsApp for personal readings. I'll tell you all the details regarding the readings on WhatsApp. So please consider messaging me on WhatsApp. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, add that like button. And if you are interested in such zodiac tarot readings, please stay tuned on my channel. So yeah, let's start. Let's see what's gonna happen for Taurus. Aquarians. I did a reading for Taurus before this, so yeah, let's see what's gonna happen for Aquarians in their love life in the month of October. Let's see what's gonna happen for you in the month of October in your love life. What's gonna happen for Aquarians in their love life in the month of October? What's important for you to know? Let's see what's gonna happen for Aquarians in the month of October. What's gonna happen for Aquarians in the month of October in their love life? Okay, the first card we have is the King of Swords. This is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. The next we have is the Four of Swords. This is also a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Wow. And Page of Cups. This is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. What more do we have for Aquarians in the month of October in their love life? Okay, the next is the Six of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. The next is the King of Cups, too much of water and air energy. What more do we have for Aquarians? Wow, the last one is also a Cups card, Seven of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. You might also be dealing with a fire sign or earth sign. If it's not here, don't worry, this is not a sign specific reading. Okay, so yeah. Okay, Aquarians, so I told you the signs. Mostly here we see our air sign and water sign. So what's happening here is yeah, in the month of October, Aquarians, you're going to be emotionally you will be feeling too overwhelmed in the month of October. Like emotions will be your emotions will be up and down throughout the month. Okay, so you really need to take care of reacting to people, maybe out of anger, out of frustration, out of lack of clarity, out of overwhelmed feeling, and this foggy feelings which you will have overall, like through the whole month. You will have to control it. I think you need to rest a bit more. Please don't overthink in the month of October, because that is what's gonna happen in the month of October, and you really gonna cut through the overthinking. Okay, excessive of spying, excessive of overthinking, excessive of emotions is going to make you emotionally exhausted and tired, Aquarians. Okay, so please take care of your emotions. You will be feeling a lot of emotions, like you will be very sensitive and emotional throughout the month, so please take care of this. We have Four of Swords here. You need to really heal, you need to really calm down. Please take rest, please sleep well, please take care of your emotions. Practice meditation, breathing exercises, and please take care of what you speak to people. Okay, I am seeing you speaking very harsh words to someone you love. Maybe it will come out of the emotional turmoil you will be facing throughout the month. So please be wary of what you're speaking and what promises you're making to people, for like towards your partner and your relationship. Okay, I'm also seeing you will be you will take hasty decisions, and that will bring you a lot of tension, a lot of stress. So please don't take any hasty decisions. Okay, be very calculative and analytical while you make these decisions. Do not be in hurry, okay? Do not be in hurry of putting your decisions or dragging someone into your own emotional turmoil. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, make your decisions wisely. Use your heart a little bit less and your brain a little bit more. Please rest and regenerate. This is the month of resting. Please don't take any hasty decisions. I'm also seeing you will be excessively spying your person, or maybe your person will be excessively spying on you out of this emotional instability. Okay, you might feel a bit sad and alone. You might feel as if people have abandoned you, no one loves you, no one cares for you, and it's okay to sometimes feel like that. Okay, it is a part of our life. We can feel like that, but it's okay. You don't need to be harsh on yourself. Okay, I'm also seeing you're going to receive emotional support and emotional availability from the people you love. Your partner is going to be more emotionally available to you, and don't take them and their love for granted. Okay, you don't need to be harsh to them. You don't need to be emotionally breaking onto them. Okay, please be very calm throughout the month. Yeah, I'm also seeing someone is going to come with a commitment, with a love offer. Okay, maybe this is a commitment for lifetime, for marriage. Okay, many of you are going to receive an offer, a marriage offer or a commitment, proper solid commitment from the person you love. I'm seeing a lot of reconciliations happening. That is the reason for your emotional turmoil. Maybe you don't know how to react to this person now. When they come back, you don't know how to react to them, and that is going to cause this whole turmoil. Okay, so please take care of how you think, how you react, and what words you say. Okay, you're going to cut deep with your words. Okay, and it might in turn ruin whole situation. If it's going to if it was going to be okay, you are going to ruin it with your words. Okay, so please tap into calmness and don't speak if it's not needed. Okay, Aquarians, for this month at least. Okay, what more do we have? What's going to happen? What's going to happen in the month of, okay, I told you, this is a Scorpion energy. This is a Tower card. I think something is going to, some drastic changes, or maybe falling out of a relationship. It is quite possible for some of you. You're going to ask someone for marriage or taking things further, and they are not going to reciprocate the same feelings as you feel for them, and this is going to bring you to this whole emotional turmoil. This is a card of destruction. Okay, I think see, after the Tower moment, the sun rises. Everything happens because of some reason. Maybe this was meant to be, and this is happening because it was the part of your fate, the part of your destiny. So you don't have to be harsh on yourself and to the other people. Okay, it's their life, their decisions. You can force no one in your life. Okay, I'm also seeing, yeah, I told you again, Knight of Cups. This is a King of Cups, and this is a King of Cups, and so this is a Knight of Cups. Someone is coming back with an offer or a commitment or a marriage proposal. Okay, sorry for the bell ringing, please excuse that. What more do we have in Aquarian's feelings? What more do we have? Yeah, I think you will be chasing someone who doesn't want you anymore, or someone will be chasing you. Someone is the chaser, and the other one is the runner. Okay, so if this is you, I would really advise you not to run behind someone who is not interested in you. This will cause you a lot of heartache. This will cause you a lot of pain. What more do we have? Yeah, we have two cards. This is the Page of Wands. I'm also seeing you are interested in someone. You are excessively spying on someone. You want to know what they're doing in their life, what they're up to. You are always behind someone. You are always chasing someone. Okay, so don't do that. But I'm also sensing that either someone is interested in you. They're looking you from a far distance. Maybe you're in a long distance relationship with someone, and someone is interested in you. Yeah, they have this passion reignited for you. This is the Magician card. Please use your if you want to manifest someone or something in your life, do it with a pure intention, do it with your the whole like open heart and mind. Okay, do not indulge yourself into something that is not good for you. Okay, let's see what oracle messages do we have for you, what advice do we have from the psychic heart tarot oracle. Let's see what do we have for you, what do we have for Aquarians. Take these messages as advice. Okay, what more do we have for Aquarians, what do we have for Aquarians in the month of October, what do we have for Aquarians in the month of October. Okay, manifest. Again the manifest card is coming up for you. Please manifest wisely, please keep your intentions clear. The things you will be manifesting will come to light, so use your manifestation wisely. The other one is nurture. You need to nurture yourself first. Okay, either you need to nurture yourself and something around you. Okay, that is why this card has come up. Please nurture yourself, please look at how you're feeling, please tap into your emotional well-being. Okay, the last one is love. You're going to receive love. Someone is coming back. I told you, someone is either coming with a love offer or a marriage offer or some commitment that was missing in the past. Okay, so wow, the cards are beautiful. Let's see what handwritten advices do we have for you all. What handwritten advices do we have for Aquarians? Aquarians, please take care of your emotions, okay, throughout the month of October. What are the handwritten advices that we have for, what advices do we have? Okay, the first one is ambitious. You need to really be ambitious now. Look at how you're doing about your work, about your career. Be ambitious. This is the time to focus on your ambition. Separation, maybe this is the period of separation for some of you. I told you in the beginning. Okay, what more do we have? Okay, water sign, you might be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. A lot of water sign has come up in your reading. Okay, what more do we have? Okay, C, J, K, N, R, T, V, Y, E, G. These may be the initials of your person or you yourself. The last advice we have for Aquarian is, okay, the last advice, yeah, I told you, you need to leave the toxic situation. Maybe you are holding on to someone who is not good for you. So please analyze things and people around you and do accordingly. Okay, so yeah, Aquarians, please take care of your emotional well-being this month. I really hope and wish you get everything you wish for. Okay, please manifest better things in your life. Okay, so this was your reading. I hope you liked the reading. If it resonated to some extent, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. And yes, Aquarians, see you in next video.